Yeah, hello guys. Welcome to the Cloud DevOps Guru channel. So today we are looking to the soft link and hard link. This is a small topic. So today we will discuss about the how to create the soft link and hard links in the Linux environment. Okay. So first we will understand what is the soft link and what is the hard link. Okay. Soft link is nothing but the shortcut file in the soft link is nothing but shortcut file which is linked to main file. For example, in Windows you install some application and you will create the some shortcut file on your desktop, or you created the some file and you create some shortcut file on that file shortcut on the your desktop. So that is nothing but the shortcut file in Windows. Say in the same way, we will create the shortcut file in the Linux also. So uh, if we create the shortcut file, it will link to the main file. Means whatever content is present into the main file, that will be available into the shortcut file also. For example, you have the one file, for example one file, and it is create the one shortcut file, that is nothing but the link file. For example, I will create the two file is the name, one file is the name and two file is the name. Okay, whatever I will have the content into the one file, that will also redirect, that will also available into the two file. Okay, just we will know how to create the shortcut soft link in the our Linux environment. Okay, for creating the shortcut file, we will use the ln as the command. Okay, so let's see in the practical way how to create the shortcut file. First, I will create the one directory, mkdir practice as a directory. Go inside the practice directory, ls. We are not having any file. So first I will create the one file, touch. Our file is the one file, right? Enter ls. So ls hyphen la, it will give the which file it is. Okay, it is a normal file. Hyphen means normal file. First we will understand the types of file before creating the shortcut file. Okay, types of file. First, hyphen indicates it normal file. Okay, d indicates it's a directory. Okay, l indicates it's a link file. B indicates it's the block file. C indicates it's a character file. Okay, these are the types in the Linux environment. For example, now I had created the one file here, one file. So it's started with the hyphen, means it's a normal file. If it is see here, it is started as the D, means it is a directory. It is also started as a D, it is a directory. For example, I will create one directory here, mkdir test is my directory. So just you can see here, now it is started with the D, means it is a directory. If it is started with the L, it is a link file. If it is started with the B, it is a block file. If it is started with the C, it is a character file. Based on that, you can identify the which kind of file is there. Okay, now I will create the link file to the one file. First I will write some content into the one file. Okay, vi, this is test file. Okay, Save and exit. Now I have the some content into the my one file. Now I will create the link file, soft link. For creating the soft link, you have to use the ln-s. To which file? Our one file. Now what is the name for that? Second file. For example, second file. Now you can check it is created or not. ls-la. Now you can see your link file has created. It is started with the L, right? It has the full permission. Okay. Now we will see what is the content of the second file. Just I had created, right? So it's see whatever the data is inside the first file, one file, that same content will be in the second file, right? Now I will update into the one file. vi one file. This is second line, for example. Save and exit. Now you can check is it available in the second file or not. Now you can see, means whatever you write into the first file, it will also looked into the your link file. And here is one drawback, means if your main file is broken, your shortcut file also broken. For example, I will delete the my first one file, rm1 file, ls. Second file is showing inside the red because it is broken. Now you are not having the one file. Then you can check the content of the second file. No such file or directory. Means whenever our main file will be deleted, our link file also broken. Okay. Now we will understand the what is the hard link. Hard link. Hard link is used for create a backup file for main file. Like means we will create a hard link, means it will create a one second copy. For example, you have the one copy of file, it will create another one copy, means it is a separate copy. If you update it into the first file, it will update the content into the second file also. But if you delete the first file, it will not delete the second file, it will exist, means your data will be backed up. Okay. Now I will show you how to create the hard link in the Linux. You can use the ln for create the hard link. For creating the soft link, you have to use the ln-s, and for creating the hard link, just you can use the ln. For example, first I will create the one file, touch practice is my file. Okay, vi practice. I will enter. This is demo for hard link. Okay. Save and exit. Now I will create the hard link for it. ln practice hard link. Hard link. This is my file name. Okay. Now we will see the content of the practice hard link also. Is it the same or not? Now see, this is the demo for the hard link. Now I will update into the practice hard link. This is the hard link, right? If I update it into the hard link, will it update into the second in our main file or not? We will check. This is hard link file. Okay, save and exit. Now we will see the content of our main file. Is it update it into the main file also. Means if you are if you are write the data into the main file, or you can write into the data into the link file, it will sync in the both the file. But here is a main difference into the soft link and hard link. If you deleted the main file, for example, our main file is the practice, right? Now I will delete the practice file. rm practice ls-la. Our practice file is deleted, but our practice hard link is present. Now we will see is it broken or not. It is not broken. It is the file is exist inside the our server. So if your main file is broken also, your uh, means hard link file will be present inside the Linux server. Okay, this is the major difference between the soft link and hard link. Just here you can just you can keep remembering just how to create the hard link file, how to create the soft link file. For creating the hard link, just you can use the ln, your file name, and your link file name. Okay, for creating the soft link, you can use the ln-s, same. But here is the major difference is if you created a soft link, if you deleted the main file, your link file will be broken in the soft link. If you are created the hard link, your main file is broken, then also your hard link file will be present, and it will like a backup file. Okay, this is the major difference between the soft link and the hard link. Yeah, this is the small chapter. Thank you. Just we had learned today what is the soft link, what is the hard link, how to create the soft link, what is the major difference between the soft link and hard link. Thank you for listening this session. If you like my session, please like the video, subscribe the video, and share the video with your friends. If you need any detailed information about the any topic, please comment me, and also comment how is my session. Thank you for listening this session. Thank you.